So while I'm here getting my roof resealed, I got brave and decided to change the seal in my toilet. I figured if I messed up, if something went wrong, at least I'm at the place where they could fix it, you know? So the previous owner had bought a couple seals and just left them in the rig, so I've had them for over a year. And I just thought a professional, you know, needed to do it. I thought you had to take the toilet apart. And I watched a video last night on YouTube. Thank you, YouTube. And this guy made it seem so simple. And I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try it. And you need gloves. I would recommend maybe pliers or something to grab the seal so it doesn't fall down the drain. And what else? I've always just put Vaseline on the seal to keep it, you know, pliable. But I guess there's something like a plumber's grease you can buy, but Vaseline worked for me. I would say a brush. Those are really the only tools you need. And I'll show you guys how to do it. But yeah, it was a very crappy job. Very unpleasant job, let's put it that way. But I'm pretty proud of myself. It came out really nice. I wish I would have done it sooner. But this way water doesn't, you know, escape or leak through, because when that seal is dry and cracked, it prevents good suction. So anyways, I'll show you guys, okay? The things you learn having an RV. Okay, let me show you guys what the seal looks like. This is what it looks like when it's out. With this little indentation, this is the part that goes up. And then there's a little groove, a little lip. And that's what you're gonna, that's how it, you know, it holds on, basically. So here's the part number. You wanna take it down. And then all you do is open it up, you push the lever down, the foot lever, turn off your water, push the lever down, and then take some pliers and just pull the seal out. You know, get a good grip on it so it doesn't go down the drain. And then close it up, and then set this in there, set it in there, and then just keep on pushing along the side. And it'll take, you know, it'll grab on. So initially it may seem like, oh, it's not the right size, it's too big, but no, once that, you know, lip or that groove gets into that area, it'll make room. So yeah, that's it, that's all you do. And then just make sure that that part is closed when you're trying to put it in there, because you don't want this to fall down. And yeah, see, now it's all good. Initially I thought I would be in the shop for about a week, but it looks like I'm just gonna get the roof resealed and the sewer vent caps replaced, and so it looks like just one day. So thank goodness, because I'll show you what I'm looking at outside. I'm in a huge warehouse and they are just working full-time on a lot of RVs. I thought I would be like outside and I could take her out, and I mean, I can't take her out, you know. And then I got some art supplies in preparation for the stay. Yeah, I feel like I'm in Mexico. You hear them? They have Mexican music going on. They're making kind of some sounds. It's kind of funny. I'll show you guys as soon as it's safe to videotape out there. Roxy's supervising. It's amazing, these rigs. I mean, they're huge, huge. But they're gorgeous. I don't know how they move them. What do you think, Roxy? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What happened there, Roxy? What was that? So this is where we're staying tonight. We've got it to ourselves. Yep. So they're still working on it. They worked on it all day. Boxes are up there. Roxy's keeping an eye out for any intruders. What is all that ruckus? What's all the ruckus, Roxy? Look at her ears and those frown marks on her forehead. She made a friend here though. We'll have to show you guys if we can go into the office with her. She got a new boyfriend here. What do you think, Roxy? Ooh. Oh, shadows. Shadows. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's the shadow people on the roof. Oh no, it's the shadow people on the roof. Look at her poor tail. She got it caught in the dirt when she was a puppy. See, they've got some beautiful rigs. And mine's the little one hiding behind the big ones. I'll show you guys in a little bit. They're up on the roof. Working on some things. Working on my rig. Okay, we're ready to rock and roll. Everything's back to normal. And we're out of here.